Good day everyone. Today I'm going to give you a summary about the clientele settings and major channels of communication, about the types of clientele and audiences and communication media channels. Types of clientele and audiences. First is individuals. Communication helps individuals. Such encounters can take the form of oral interactions. It bonds you with your friends, classmates, and teachers. Second is groups and organizations. The matrix or the womb. The family is the matrix or the womb that gives birth in society to power relations. Communication offers families the tools they need to connect. Third is communities, made up of individuals as well as groups. One one of these is the communicators, that is to make citizens of their respective societies educated and active members. Communicators, especially those from the entertainment industry, provide a escape for communities. Let's move on to settings, methods, and tools in communication practice. First is government, one of the primary settings of communication. The State of the Nation address in the Philippines allows the public to understand the current government's policy directives. The government's lawmakers also present their action programs to the public by focalizing or examining and correcting policy discrepancies. The opposition party communicates with government officials. Second is private sector, the setting for organizational communication. Public and private organizations use a number of tools and techniques to facilitate effective communications. Downward communication is the flow of communication from higher to levels of authority. Upward communication, on the other hand, is communication from lower to higher levels. Brainstorming is another group communication technique used by organizations. Team building is another tool used to promote greater camaraderie and coordination among members. It aims to help organization members cope with work problems and become more productive. Third is civil society, the non-governmental organization and private foundations. Interviews are used to assist needs of individual or groups served by civil society. Civil society workers must be adept at creating interview guides and questionnaires. Fourth is schools. It provides another setting for communication. Communication tools and techniques used in schools include letters, recitations, case studies, PowerPoint presentations, and memoranda. Lectures are mostly delivered by teachers to provide students with knowledge. Recitations are done to determine if the students understood the lectures. Case studies may be complemented by role plays where students perform presentation. Lastly is community, considered the largest setting of communication. In a small community, the barangay chair or another official can convene an assembly to discuss issues. The Katarungag Pambarangay also provides an avenue for community members to interact with regards to the issue. Next is communication media channels, the mass media. Our society is heavily influenced by mass media. We may find ourselves looking for the daily newspaper or turning on the television to watch the early morning news. So these are the example of mass media. Radio has always been popular, especially in remote areas of the country where power is power is still not available. Television provides the public with the latest news and other programs that cater to different groups of people. Internet has made life to more exciting to those who have access to it. Wi-Fi utilizes radio waves to deliver fast, wireless, and optimal internet and network connection. Weblogs or blogs serve as online diaries and or journals created and updated to express thoughts, meanings, and or commentaries. Telecommuting is defined as the long-distance exchange of information through technological devices. Research suggests that telecommuting has several advantages, including freedom from Distractions in the workplace, however, there are also disadvantages, including lower chances for promotion and greater risk of burnout. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for listening. Bye bye.